You guys, I am seriously in trouble. I went to the Dollar Tree last week. I got a little taste of what the Dollar Tree is like again, and I completely forgot how amazing the Dollar Tree is. So here I am. I ventured out this morning, Saturday morning, went into the Dollar Tree for just a few specific things, and I wound up spending like $30. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share everything I picked up from the Dollar Tree, because it's like a scavenger hunt literally every single week. Like, you go into the Dollar Tree and you have no clue what you're gonna find. And I do pay attention to my analytics, and you guys really enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul from last week. So if this is something you guys are enjoying seeing, then it gives me an excuse to go to the Dollar Tree, which I do not mind doing at all. So first thing I picked up was the Sunday newspaper, $1. Yes. There was a sign that said that it's a limit of 3 newspapers. But this is awesome. So it looks like the Sunday newspaper regularly is $2. So it's $1. So you get your newspaper inserts and your coupons a day early if you go to the Dollar Tree. I know not all Dollar Trees have an abundance of papers, but I thought that was a good deal. So let's just go ahead and get into the good stuff. So I picked up this Dollar Tree sign. It says America, and what I love about it is the wood distressing that it has on the sign. I'm not really a fan of glitter. I actually hate glitter. Nicole, unlike your husband, I hate glitter, but I thought that this would be cute to hang on my door. I didn't go too crazy with like 4th of July decor or anything like that, but I really just loved the detailing that this sign had. So got that. And then my husband always needs oyster crackers, so I picked him up these oyster crackers. These are by the New England Original Westminster Baker Company. So I'm gonna see if he likes them, and if he does, then I can just get them for $1 instead of going with the Nabisco brand. And then I needed some cotton rounds, so I picked up the Assured cotton rounds. And then I picked up a box of the Mrs. Prune's alphabet cookies. So there's 25% more. It's a 13.75 ounce box of alphabet cookies. So I picked these up for the kids. Looks like they're like shortbread cookies, so I'm sure I will put my fingers in those as well. And then I picked up 2 boxes of sweet tarts. So Scarlett has a birthday party tomorrow, and Ashley's little girls are coming. So I saw that Scarlett picked out sweet tarts. So I went ahead and picked the girls up some sweet tarts. And then I found this little notepad, and this is by Block Note, and it just says adulting on the top. And I thought this was really cute because this is, you know, this is what we do. We're adulting with all of our nonstop errands and to-do lists and all that fun stuff. And then I picked up this notebook everyone has been hauling. So it is the Hello Gorgeous notebook. And I go through these like water with my couponing breakdowns. And my husband's like, why do you still write everything down? Why don't you just type everything out on the computer? I'm like an old school note taker. Even when I was in college, I would bring my laptop to college, but I would always write handwritten notes. I don't know, I'm just weird. I loved highlighting. I love just writing out my notes by hand. So let me know if you guys are hand note writers too. And then I needed some new pens. So Brittany Tolberg always sends me my stationery. So I've been through all of the pens and all of the notebooks that she has sent me over the past few months. So I needed to replenish my supply. So I picked up an 8 count of these pens right here. It's the Ink brand. And they're actually colored. So like I said, I love making colored notes. So now I have some colored ballpoint pens. So I got some of those, 8-pack. Hopefully I won't lose them all. And then I got some pencils. This is the Bic 5 count. So if you start seeing the Bic coupons in your inserts, the Dollar Tree does have Bic stationery products. So I saw the pencils, and I also saw the whiteout. And then I picked up this little gift box right here. It has a peace sign on it. It's very durable, actually. And then it has an arrow right here. It says love with the arrow. And then on the other side, it says adventure awaits. And then it has a little compass and wild and free. So this is a really cute little gift box. I always like to have at least one gift box on hand because I never know when I'm going to need it. And then I picked up something for Nicole Burgess. She's always getting me stuff from the Dollar Tree. So I saw this and I thought that she needed to have it. And it says Flock Yeah, and it has the little flamingo on it. So she really loves to get these little signs with these punny sayings on it. So Flock Yeah, F yeah, you know what the sign is trying to say. And then of course I had to pick this guy up. So it says Work That Crown. And it is a metal tin, and yeah, I thought this would go good in my bathroom. My bathroom is actually turned into a pineapple bathroom, so if you guys want to see a pineapple bathroom tour, then please let me know. And then I picked up some more of these little decor signs. So this one says Let's Run Away, and it's a heart with the map, like a globe map, and it has that distressing, that whole farmhouse look to it. So I thought I would go ahead and kind of put together some of Chris and I's photos from our vacations and our adventures, and I thought that that would go perfect in that little spot that I'm trying to create in our house. And then this one says Always Be Grateful, so I think I'm gonna put this in my dining room. I kind of have like a little gallery wall going on, so I'm gonna put that there. And then I got 3 8x10 frames, and what I loved about this is the color on these are kind of like a wood brown color, which goes with the color scheme of my house, so I don't actually have to, you know, spray paint these to a different color. So I thought that for $1, and with the look I'm going for in my upstairs like hallway, these are perfect. So I will be getting a video up with what I am actually making with these frames, so stay tuned for that. So I needed 3 8x10 photo frames, and I thought the quality on these were pretty good, especially for $1. So next thing I got were these little like poster sets right here. So I got a Paw Patrol one, and it comes with 4 markers, and then I also got this Shimmer and Shine one, and then I got this My Little Pony one. So I'm giving 2 of them to Ashley's girls, and then 1 for Sawyer and 1 for Scarlett. And then this one is really cute too. It's like superheroes. So if your kids are into like PJ Masks or like superheroes, this would be a really cute one too. It says Pop, it has the superheroes, and then it has a 4-pack of the markers as well. And then I got the kids some scribble pads. So I got 2 of them. And then I got a bunch of stickers. So for Ashley's girls, I got them these mermaid stickers because Scarlett's birthday party is Ariel. So I thought it was fitting to get the girls some mermaid stickers. And then I went ahead and got Scarlett one as well. And then I got Mr. Sawyer some animal stickers because the kid loves stickers. He loves putting them in his hair too. It's actually the funniest thing. And I found these also, which I thought were really ingenious actually. And they are sticky note stickers, and they have the days of the week on them. So if you are a planner person, you know, it's the days of the week, and you just peel off the little sticker and you can put it in your planner. So it says it comes with 106 sheets. So I thought this was actually really cool. And then I found this guy for my fridge. It is a dry erase magnet. So it says, don't forget to do, and let's see, the other one says, when I can get to it. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can actually see it. But this is so handy, I think. So it says, when I get to it, to do, and don't forget. So these are great to add little notes to your fridge, especially if you're someone who needs to like constantly remind your kids to do stuff, or maybe your husband or whoever, or maybe yourself. Maybe you're like me and you forget literally everything. And these are just little handy reminders that's going to be smack dab in front of you when you go into the fridge in the morning time, because if you're like me, that's like the first thing that you do in the morning time is you wake up and you say, what's for breakfast? So I had such a fun time going out to the Dollar Tree. So I know I said in last week's video that I don't get out to the Dollar Tree that often, but I think that that's going to change because there is some great stuff, especially for the summertime, getting the kids little like activity sets to keep them busy, and all the little random home decor and just everything that the Dollar Tree has to offer. And I absolutely loved the Dollar Tree that I went to. So if you're in the Southern California area, I went to the Dollar Tree in San Juan Capistrano. So if you're in that area, definitely hit up this Dollar Tree because it is so clean, it is neat, it is organized, and the staff is amazing. They are so sweet. So, all right, give these oyster crackers a try. They're the New England original.
Why?
Oyster crackers are a big deal in this house, so.
They look like the oyster crackers that Claim Jumper has.
Right. What do you think?
I think I'm not gonna yell at you for making me try them.
The subscribers love you. I gloated about you on Father's Day, actually, about how you woke up on Father's Day at 2 in the morning while you were sick to let me sleep.
Well, that's very nice of you.
Yeah. So since my husband eats like a toddler, I got him alphabet cookies.
I'm not happy with this because usually when I eat cookies, I like the number cookies.
Oh, shoot. You gotta go alphabets now.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see.
It's Mrs. Pure's.
Yeah.
Not Miss Pure's, but Mrs. She's married.
Yep, she's married to Mr. Piers. 25% more.
No, it's Mr. Pure, babe.
Oh, Mr.
Yeah, it's
Mrs. Piers. Oh, okay.
The apostrophe.
Oh, okay. So pick out a letter.
What type of cookie is this?
It's like shortbread cookie, like animal cracker cookie.
I want to see for Chris.
Okay. How about P?
No.
How about A?
I'll tell you right off the bat, one thing that I don't like about this is that it's not easy to find the letters you want.
No.
So, loses points. I'll take the S for Schweppe.
Okay, that's good. What do you think?
Well, it's made in the USA, so it can't be that bad.
No.
I mean, it wasn't the letter C that I wanted, but it was pretty good.
So compared to the animal cookies, are these pretty comparable? Better, worse?
I mean, it's a different cookie.
Would you recommend these cookies to my subscribers?
I mean, was it $1?
Yeah.
Well.
And 25% more.
25% more?
Yeah.
Wow, that's more than 20% more.
Are they good?
I found the letter C.
Oh, good. C. What do you think? Would you reach for these in the cupboard if you're going for a snack? That's the true test.
Maybe.
Yeah?
We'll see.
Okay.
I mean, but for $1, it's not bad.
And for the kids with the alphabet, it's pretty fun for them.
I think the number cookies would be better, but...
Alphabet cookies?
Yeah.
And you know what's the best part? There's no
that?
box tops on there, so my mom's not going to cut it up from the top, and then our cookies
yeah,
will fail.
that's...
Tanner, you have so many fans out there. They want to say hi. You have so many fans. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to everyone? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? What do you guys think? Tanner says hi. He says hi. Can you tell everyone that you slept from 11:30 to 5:30? What a big boy. What a big boy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hit up the Dollar Tree when you guys can, because there is some great stuff.